darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping. And the vision that was settling in my brain still remains within a sound of silence. In Christmas dream I walk alone, now a streets of cobblestone. Need a hill of a street left, I turn my collar to the cold and damp. When my eyes were startled by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hate without listening, people write a song that voice I never share, and no one dare disturb the sound of silence. Fools say that you don't know, silent like a cancer grows. Hear my words and my teach you, take my arms and might reach you, but my words like silence, like silent rain of fear. Too fast, an echo in the well of silence, and the people bow and pray to the neon god they made, and the sight flash of its warning, and the word that was forming, and the sight to say the words of the prophet are real on the subway walls, and take them all and whisper in the sound of silence.
Music already gone.
I double me.